Hey guys, so while you're watching this video, I'll be somewhere in Ladakh. I have recorded this video for you specially so that you know the workout. I'm keeping it easy, not very complex since I'm not there and will not be there to look at your forms. But yes, first thing you have to start with classical Surya Namaskars. Do 12 of these. The second one is, of course, weighted squats, guys. So grab your dumbbells in your hands, bring your feet shoulder width apart, okay? And then as we do squats, you will hinge those hips up, exhale, slowly come back up, all right? I'll just show it to you once again from the side profile. Exhale, come back up. So you have to do 12 repetitions and 3 sets each. Take 30-second break between each set. Then we'll be moving to sumo squat pulse. In sumo squat pulse, your feet will again be 2.5 feet apart. You will grab your dumbbell in front of your chest and then you open the knees out and you pulse here for 30 seconds. Again, we'll be doing this for 3 sets. Rest 30 seconds between each set. The third one is alternate lunges. In alternate lunges, you will again grab your dumbbells, guys, and you bring the knees in front and back, front and back. So guys, when you go for alternate lunges, make sure that the knees and heels are in one straight line when you do this. Try to open the knees out. Again, 12 repetitions, 3 sets, rest of 30 seconds between each set. Next is a side lunge. You will again grab your dumbbell in front of your chest, or you can grab the 2 dumbbells also if you like. And then you will go from side to side. You will keep the dumbbells here if you're grabbing the 2 dumbbells in the center and go from side to side. So I have written 10 repetitions, 3 sets each for this one. Next is a donkey kick. We all know the donkey kick, but I'll still show it to you. Your knees and heels will be in one line. Your wrist and shoulder will be in one line. Palms and feet will be shoulder width apart. And then you will kick up from your glutes. Inhale, kick up. Exhale, down. We'll be doing 15 repetitions of these on each side, right and left. Next is a glute bridge lift, guys. In glute bridge lift, you will lie down and your knees and heels will be in one line. Just lift the glutes up and down, up and down. You can also do this with a dumbbell. You can bring the dumbbell on your abdomen. After this, we have a standing bend calf raise. So again, all the exercises have to be performed with dumbbells, guys. You will bring your feet shoulder width apart. You will grab your dumbbells. You will bend forward. And then you will lift the heels up, back down, up, back down, up, back down. So you're done with the workout. Now I would want you to do some cool down. The first one is a standing forward bend hold, where you have to hold here for 5 deep breaths. After this, I have given you a knee tuck. So you will stand and tuck your knees 10 times. After this, we have a butterfly. You know what a butterfly is. Then you have a straight leg seated forward bend. You will sit down, inhale, raise your arms overhead, exhale, bend forward. From here, I have given you a cat and camel, a cobra pose, a child's pose, and a Pavan Muktasan. You know all these asanas, so enjoy your workout. I'm going to see you tomorrow. Bye bye.